SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change the video recording resolution on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. When you use the camera app on your iPhone to record videos, then it might be using either a low or high video resolution that could be negatively impacting the way that you use your phone. For example, if you wanted to record high-resolution videos and your iPhone is recording in 720p or 1080p, then you might like to change that so that it records in 4K. Or if it's recording in 4K and the video file sizes are too large to effectively share them, or you're running out of storage space, then recording in a low resolution can help you to create smaller video files. You can change the setting by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down until you find the camera option, and then you can select that, and then you just need to find the record video option at the top of the screen. Now, the various video recording options that you have here can vary depending on the iPhone model that you have, but you can simply choose one of these options and then your iPhone is going to start recording in the video resolution that you select. Note down here that it will indicate how large a minute of video is on your phone. So with the 720p option, then the video file size is going to be smaller, whereas with these 4K options, the video file size can get quite large.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.